Hello, welcome everybody. It's me, Jocelyn, and I'm getting ready to make some dinner. And I feel like having some pancakes. But I'm actually having waffle sticks. So, here's the plan. I'm going to whip together some pancakes and show you how it's done. First, we start with 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened if you can. 8 eggs. I have 4 tablespoons of erythritol. I have a half a tablespoon of banana extract. I have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And what I'm going to start with is just blending this up. I am not going to have the camera on while I do it because it is loud. Ta-da! Okay, I start by blending the cream cheese. Your next step is going to be adding 1 egg at a time. Do not add all 8 eggs at the same time or it will separate. Okay, and this is what it looks like after you've added 1 egg. Okay, and this is how it looks with 2 eggs in. It's starting to get smoother. Okay, now I have all 8 eggs in and I'm going to add just pretty much everything in. I'm going to add my half a tablespoon of banana extract, my 4 teaspoons of erythritol, my 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to mix that up. All right, here we go, and it is time to butter your griddle. So I throw a dollop of butter in there, and then I have one of these red, I think it's like to do marinades and but I use it for this purpose, and I think it really works well. To get butter on a waffle scenario. And I've just got a tablespoon. Yep, I figured as much. Now the batter, you can add in other things. You could add in a little flaxseed, or you could add in some psyllium. Right now I'm just doing them this way because I think this is something that everyone can make, and that is my main goal, is making it easy for you guys. So close that up, and we just got to wait for the light to click back on. I may or may not let it go 2 cycles because 2 cycles tends to make it extra good. Okay, so while we're cooking, we had a bunch coming out the side, so we're switching to a half tablespoon on our next waffle. And when I say we, I mean me and this little guy. He's here being very quiet. He's being very quiet. Good little boy. Because he is very interested in making baby cakes minis. And he says, "What are we making again?" Right? Okay, here is our first set of French toast sticks. I think it's gonna pop. Doodle-doo, doodle-doodle-doodle. And this is the batter once it's all spun together. I didn't show you guys the finale. Ah, the red light.
Can we open it?
Yeah, let's open it. Oh, there's our little waffles.
Hey.
Okay, so this one we did less batter.
Hey.
There, better. Ooh, the second ones look good. All right, here is our third batch. Ooh.
And now we're going
Ooh,
to
that
let
looks
it
good.
out.
Ooh, that looks real good. Okay, so I've been leaving them in for 2 counts to get them extra brown. 'Cause I love a nice brown crispy waffle. And I want to remind you guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to just keep doing this batter and then I will show you how we plate it at the end. Here's the little guy. He's taste testing our breakfasts and I'm eating while I'm cooking. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you love it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. And we're having a little Premier protein with our waffles. Yeah, show them how it's done. Good job.
Oh.
Alrighty, we are down to the very last set of pancakes. And that's quite the pile. Alrighty, now that I got them all set up. Okay. Alrighty, I wanted to do a swoop around of the kitchen. Show you my beautiful keto kitchen. At the end of the day, all keto meals end up here. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. And once again, please subscribe and watch my videos. And thank you so much for your support and have a great day. Mwah.